Hello everyone. This video is a part of Verb Tense series prepared by Flute English Grammar Creations. Mrs. Valli Subbaiah here. To speak about past actions, we mostly use simple past and past perfect tense. Let us warm up now. The wind blew yesterday is past tense. The wind had blown is past perfect tense. Had plus past participle is past perfect tense. Here is the answer for the follow-up activity given in Unit 23. You can check now. Today, let us learn about past perfect continuous tense. This is an advanced tense. If you listen to this video till the end, you will be able to use this tense more comfortably and easily. Look at this image. The wind had been gusting through the branches of the trees for an hour. The second example, when they arrived home, the storm had been blowing heavily. The tense used here is past perfect continuous tense. Dear students, are you ready to learn? If you are following this 8th tense series, it proves that you are interested in learning grammar. Congratulations. Let us go now. What is past perfect continuous tense? Past perfect continuous tense shows an action that started in the past, continued up until another action happened in the past. Look at the example 2. Let me give you the basic idea. She had been walking with the dog. The structure is subject plus had plus been plus main verb plus ing plus adverb. We use 2 auxiliary verbs and 1 main verb. Walk is the main verb with ing form. Look at the picture. What is Kathy doing? Kathy is going for a walk with her pet dog. What did she do before buying a dog? She went for a walk alone. If this is the situation, use past perfect continuous tense. She had been going for a walk alone before she bought a dog. The Labrador had been living with her. The dog was healthy because its owner had been looking after it well. Are you able to understand, students? Verbs in ing forms are nothing but present participle. In this video, we shall learn about spelling rules of ing forms, subject-verb agreement, and 3 forms of past perfect continuous tense and also its usages. In one of the slides, I have taught you the difference between the tenses, which will clear your doubts about the usages. The note here says that stative verbs are not used in the continuous tense. All the verbs in ing form are called present participle. Mostly we add ing to the verbs to form present participle. Bark, barking, match, matching, play, playing, see, seeing, go, going, coax, coaxing, etc. If a verb's base form ends with a silent E, drop the E and add ing. Have, having, move, moving, etc. If a base form ends with 1 vowel and 1 consonant, double the consonant and add ing to make it a present participle. Put has 1 syllable. P is a consonant, U is a vowel, and T is a consonant. Double the final consonant T. Put, putting, bat, batting. Prefer is a 2-syllable word. Look at the 3 letters at the end. We have consonant, vowel and consonant. Double the final consonant. Prefer, preferring, final, finaling. If a verb ends in IE, change IE to Y and add ing. Die, dying, tie, tying. This note says ing forms are also used as a noun and as adjective. The common mistake made by students is they identify the ing forms as verbs. Varshini loves drawing. Here, drawing is a noun used as an object. Loves is the verb. Carom is an entertaining game. Entertaining is an adjective and is the verb. All the verbs are highlighted in red. Subject-verb agreement for past tense is quite easy. Whether it is a singular or plural subject, the verb is just the same. Use had been. The three forms of past perfect continuous tense are affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. The structure of affirmative sentence is subject plus had been plus main verb plus ing plus object. We had been planning a trip to Ooty. Here we can use short forms like we'd, he'd, she'd, it'd, etc. The example of negative sentence is you hadn't been driving to Ooty. Not takes its short form N apostrophe T. Interrogative sentence has two types. One is WH question and then yes or no question. The structure is had plus subject plus been plus main verb plus ing and N with a question mark. Let us see the example. Had he been enjoying the climate in Ooty? We can say yes, he had been enjoying the climate in Ooty, or no, he hadn't. For WH questions, use question word before this structure. How long had they been staying in Ooty? They had been staying in Ooty for 1 week. Past perfect continuous tense is otherwise known as past perfect progressive tense is used in two different contexts. One is to show the duration before something in the past. Example, they had been learning English before they left for USA. How long had been Mahesh watching TV? Mahesh had been watching TV for 2 hours. We had been having friendship since childhood. We can also say we had been being friends since childhood. Since is used to refer a specific time in the past and for is used with the duration of time. The past perfect continuous tense is also used to show cause and effect of something in the past. Why was Jack tired? Jack was tired because he had been working very long. Discover India is a news magazine. Jay was updated because he had been reading news magazine for many years. Let us see the difference between present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. Example, Neelu has been living in Delhi for 10 years. Present perfect continuous tense indicates an action that began in the past and continued up to the present. That is, Neelu is continuing to live in Delhi. Let us see the next one. Meelu had been working in Chennai before taking a job in Netherlands. Here the continuity in the past has ended at a defined point in the past. So we use past perfect continuous tense. Let us see the next difference between past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. The ballet dancers had performed well. The past perfect tense focuses on the activity, that is the dancer's performance. The dancers had been practicing all night. The past perfect continuous tense focuses on the duration. How long did the dancers practice? The dancers had been practicing all night. This slide is a self-evaluation. You can pause the video for some time and find out the correct answers. These hints will help you to correct the mistakes. After arriving at the correct answer, you can continue listening. What students, have you found out the correct answers? Good. Let me help you to clear the doubts. In first sentence, A is the correct answer. I had been searching for the medical report. As soon as we find the medical report, the searching comes to an end. So we have to use past perfect continuous tense. In the second one, again A is the correct answer. It had been snowing all the week. In 2B, it hadn't been raining all the week. The punctuation is wrong. N apostrophe T must be used. Here, wiping has a spelling mistake. Wiping has only one P. Therefore, B is the correct answer. She had been wiping the floor for an hour. Remember, straight verbs do not take ing form. Therefore, 4A is the correct answer. They had known each other since 2010. Let us see the fifth sentence. Raja had been living in Theni before he moved to Bangalore. That is, B is the correct answer. Had is an auxiliary verb. Been is also an auxiliary verb. Live is the main verb. It takes ing form and not past participle. Let us see the sixth sentence. Where had you been working is the correct answer. 6a is the correct answer. For question form, the structure is question word plus verb plus subject. Do you understand now? If you have got all the answers correct, well and good. Hats off to you. You have understood the past perfect continuous tense. Okay students, thank you for your kind attention. As usual, do the follow-up activity and wait for the next video. If you like my teaching, kindly share and subscribe. If you want to master the usage of tense, keep watching the tense series. For regular updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Flute English Grammar Creations. Thank you.